Management is a series which we talk every Monday, ठीक है. And ये important है ताकि आपको अलग अलग aspects of weight management पता चले, and you know how you can maintain your weight in the long run. So today's topic on weight management is going to be maybe one of everybody's favorite, and that is going to be on why dieting doesn't work. Because कई बार बहुत सारे लोगों ने अलग अलग चीजें ट्राई की रहेंगी डाइट कर वेट कम करने के लिए, डाइटिंग किया रहेगा, and then ultimately you found that either it doesn't work, or the weight comes back, or you know something or the other happens. So there are basically two types of people. दो किस्म के लोग होते हैं. एक जो हमेशा they live in fear, and the other they are fearless. You cannot do both, because दोनों चीज अगर आप ये करोगे तो it will kill the joy of living. मतलब if you are living constantly in the fear of food, it will kill your joy of eating. And if you constantly live fearless, again it will kill the joy, because then you will be have one will make you a slave of food, and the other will make you a slave of medicines. If you are fear and fearless, one will make you a slave of food, and the other will make you a slave of medicines. So, but at the same time, it is also true that if you are not mindful of what you are eating, conscious of what you are eating, then your weight is going to come back to haunt you. This is absolutely true. You have to have a fine line in between. You can't be fearful, you can't be fearless, but you have to be mindful. So mindful eating is a very important concept. But before we start into the concept of mindful eating, I want to talk a little bit more about this concept which has started, you know, fear and fearless and things like that, and how your body works and how your brain works. So ये समझना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, because you have to learn to sync your body and understand the various signals that it will give you from time to time. ये बहुत ही ज्यादा ट्रू है कि आपका बॉडी आपको अलग अलग सिग्नल्स देता है. दिक्कत कहाँ पे आती है कि हम उस सिग्नल को पढ़ नहीं पाते, और मे बी वी मिस इंटरप्रेट दो सिग्नल्स फॉर समथिंग एल्स, एंड देन आवर health doesn't remain what it is. We must remember that your body is a servant and you are the master. But unfortunately, many a times we do the opposite. We let our body become the master, and we become the servant by allowing our body to control our eating habits. तो ये जो सर्वेंट और मास्टर का जो एक रोल है, उसे रिवर्स नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be in control of what you are eating. जैसे हम हमेशा कहते हैं, every time you eat, it is either a chance to nourish your body or punish your body. So weight management is also very much related to how you control your eating habits. Now, if this remains the case, then anything you do to lose weight is going to be temporary. क्योंकि अगर आप, if you are fearless, if you are a slave to your body, then whatever you do, जो भी कुछ चीज आप करो, क्योंकि हम as coaches we come across so many people. Just yesterday I was talking to somebody, and he said I did not do anything, but still the weight came back. So this is part related to your mind, part related to science. बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें हैं. So we have learned in the previous topics that how much you weigh, आपका जो current weight है, depends on how much you eat and how much energy you burn. This is calorie management. जो I think second topic में, weight management के second topic में हमने cover किया था. It's how much you are eating and how much your energy you are burning, because food is basically food is energy. But हमें ये भी realize करना जरूरी है कि there are a lot of mechanisms that go behind hunger and energy. ये जो energy और hunger है, they are controlled by your brain mostly without your awareness. जो भी चीज आप choose करते हो, That is your conscious mind. But there is a subconscious mind also which is working continuously to control your weight. तो आपका ब्रेन बहुत सारे ऐसी चीजें करता है विदाउट यू नोइंग इट, बिहाइंड द सीन ये काम करता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, आप जो भी कुछ अभी कर रहे हो, शेक बना रहे हो, बट यू डोंट फॉरगेट टू ब्रीथ. आप सांस ले रहे हो, आप भूलते नहीं हो सांस लेना. तो दिस इज योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. वो प्रोग्राम हो चुका है अंदर. आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो, आपको कहीं पे भी जाना, यू आर थिंकिंग समथिंग, बट यू डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉक बिकॉज दैट हैज बीन प्रोग्राम्ड इनटू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है, ये सब चीज आपको करवाता है विदाउट इवन यू रियलाइजिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग. सिमिलरली आपका जो ब्रेन है ऑल्सो हैज अ बिलीव अबाउट व्हाट योर वेट शुड बी, नॉट नेसेसरीली योर आइडियल. आपका जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है उसका एक अलग बिलीफ है कि ये बंदे का वेट कितना होना चाहिए, डिपेंडिंग ऑन सर्कमस्टेंसेस, डिपेंडिंग ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स which may not be the ideal weight which you want. ये जो है, ये आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड का जो बिलीफ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सेट पॉइंट. ये एक सेट पॉइंट थियरी जो है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई समटाइम्स many people find it very difficult to lose weight because of the set point theory. Although it is said it is a point, set point, but it is actually a range. क्योंकि ideal weight कभी भी एक point नहीं होता है. Ideal weight is always a range between one point to the other, और आपका लाइफस्टाइल के डिपेंडिंग इट फ्लक्चुएट्स. So set point is also actually a range, and within that range जो आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बिलीव करता है जो आपका वेट होना चाहिए, डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस, इट मूव्स इन दैट रेंज. So that is a set point here, because of which many a times it is very difficult to lose. Now, जैसे मैंने बताया, there are a lot of things inside your brain, processes होते हैं which goes behind controlling your weight, what you eat and your metabolism, अलग अलग चीजें. और इसका जो सेंटर है, द एपी सेंटर ऑफ दिस इज योर हाइपोथैलेमस. आपके ब्रेन के अंदर एक पार्ट होता है which is called the hypothalamus, and that part of the brain is responsible for regulating your weight. Dozens and dozens of signals होते हैं जो आपके हाइपोथैलेमस में से पास होता है from your brain, telling your body to lose or gain weight by adjusting hunger, activity, metabolism to keep your weight stable. मतलब आप कुछ चीज कर रहे हो आपके वेट लॉस के लिए, और आपका जो हाइपोथैलेमस है, जो आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से सिग्नल्स भी आ रही है, वो एक अलग सिग्नल आपके बॉडी को दे रहे हैं कि भाई यू आर ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट, आई विल ट्राई टू गेट यू बैक टू द weight which I am comfortable. And this usually comes in the form of cravings and hunger pangs and बहुत सारे अलग अलग चीजें. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जब आप कुछ चीज के बारे में सोचते हो, नॉट कॉन्शियसली, अनकॉन्शियसली, अगर आप कुछ चीज के बारे में सोच रहे हो तो वो चीज आपके सामने आ जाए. इमेजिन यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट योर फेवरेट कार, and when you look around you'll start noticing those cars. It was not कि वो cars वहां पे नहीं थी, it was always there, but you were not noticing. But because now you are subconsciously carrying an image of that car in your mind, you start noticing those cars around. It's the same thing around your house. Maybe कुछ चीज already है, but now you are consciously noticing it because you are thinking about it. Same way works for food. So when you are on a weight loss plan, your subconscious mind sends signals about that, those particular cravings and the food to get you back to that weight, and then you start noticing it, and then that is how the hunger patterns and the cravings set in. So it works more like a thermostat. जो आपके रूम के अंदर अगर एक थर्मोस्टेट रहेगा, तो थर्मोस्टेट का काम ये रहेगा कि आपका जो रूम का जो टेम्परेचर है उसे मेंटेन करे. You set a temperature and it will maintain. And now if you go and open, of course within a range, it cuts off, starts and cuts off. That's within a range. That's what we call a set point, within a range. It cannot maintain the temperature at 30 degrees exactly. It has to go down 2 degrees, up 2 degrees. That's the set point. Now if you go and open the window, बाहर एकदम ठंडी है और आपने विंडो खोल दिया, थर्मोस्टेट चेंज नहीं होगा, बट अभी उसी थर्मोस्टेट को ज्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा टू गेट दैट रूम टू दैट सेट पॉइंट weight, set point temperature, and for that it will increase the flame. The same thing happens in your body कि जब आपका थर्मोस्टेट तो वही है, बट जब आपका क्रेविंग्स वगैरह बढ़ जाता है तो मोर मेटाबॉलिज्म आगे पीछे होता है, बहुत सारे अंदर प्रोसेसेस होते हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाई many a times the weight comes back or it is difficult for you to lose weight or maintain it. So your brain works exactly in the same, using powerful tools that push your body to do exactly the same, to come back to exactly the same way that it thinks is normal. आप कुछ अलग कर रहे हो, but so there is continuously there is going to be a fight between you and your brain, your subconscious mind, to get to that ideal weight which you want. So if you lose a lot of weight by whatever way you may, dieting की अगर हम यहाँ पे बात ही कर रहे हैं, because the topic is the why dieting doesn't work. In fact, we as coaches, we don't like to use the word dieting. We always like to use the word meal plan, because dieting is a myth. You can't diet. You can't. You can always plan your meal. So dieting is something which doesn't go work in the long run. So if you are losing a lot of weight, your brain thinks that you are starving. बाहर अकाल पड़ा हुआ है, खाना नहीं है. And that is how our body are made. Evolution से हमारा body ऐसे ही बना हुआ है. Your brain thinks that you are starving, and your brain does not realize that you need to lose weight or not. It's blind. Your subconscious mind is blind. It doesn't know कि आपका ideal weight क्या है, आपको weight कम करना चाहिए, आप नहीं करोगे तो आपको बहुत सारा बीमारी होगा. That it doesn't realize. तो उसको इतना ही मालूम है कि ये खाना नहीं आ रहा है, there is starvation outside, I need to do something to protect this person. And we have also learned in metabolism, जो third topic हुआ था, third और fourth topic हुआ था, कि as you lose weight, you burn less energy. आपका metabolism slow होता है, and your metabolism gets suppressed. For every 10% of your body weight you lose, you need 250 to 400 calories less. कम होते जाता है, depending on your height, depending on your activity level, बहुत सारी चीजें इसके अंदर है. But as you lose weight, आपका metabolism suppress होते जाता है and you need lesser calories. Now herein lies the problem, because जब हम weight lose करने की कोशिश करते हैं, traditionally मैं बात करता हूँ, we cut down on food drastically, and that's the first mistake that we make, cutting down drastically. Your brain doesn't understand that you are trying to lose weight. Your brain only understands that there is starvation. जितना मेरे ये मास्टर को जिंदा रखने के लिए कैलोरी की जरूरत थी, उससे कम आ रही, I need to do something. So it starts to burn. So this is so a successful dieter कौन होता है? A person who is successful must eat this much less forever to maintain the new weight. Now you get the key point. Why वजन बढ़ जाता है? Because you have to maintain a lifestyle. It's all about lifestyle change. आप कुछ भी चीज टेम्पररी करके आप नहीं कर सकते. If you go, your weight is like a rubber band. आप उसको 10 साल के खींच के रखो. The moment you leave it, it will go back to its original. It's exactly the same. And it has shown even after 7 years of losing weight, 5 years, 7 years of losing weight, people gain weight back because of lifestyle choice. So we are always made to conserve energy. Energy बचाने के लिए बने हुए. That is our evolution, complete. And that's how our bodies unfortunately work. Today, starvation is not much about not having food, but starvation is much about nutrition deficiency. Okay, because of the modern lifestyle, because of processed foods, because of a lot of junk food, high sugar, high trans fat foods, nutritional value of the food has gone down. So starvation has taken on a completely different meaning today in the form of nutrition deficiency. So the set point I was talking about goes up but rarely comes down. This is your brain's way to protect you from starvation. So and this set point doesn't change over years. It doesn't. जैसे मैंने बताया, अगर आप lifestyle change नहीं करोगे, two things I mentioned. First, a successful person who has lost weight must eat this much less forever to maintain that. Another thing I mentioned was about the rubber band. The moment you lose it, leave it loose, it is going to come back. So the set point does not change. Your brain does not change the set point. So a change in our eating environment is the only effective solution to obesity. अगर आपको आपका वेट मेंटेन करना है, कई बार लोग बोलते हैं वापस बढ़ जाएगा, तो मैंने ये किया वापस बढ़ गया, मैंने वो किया वापस बढ़ गया. It is going to, unless you don't change from here and from inside, it's not going to happen. I had read a very beautiful quote. Cheating is not a mistake, it's a choice. It's a choice. क्योंकि आप जो भी कुछ कर रहे हो, आपको कोई फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है. Nobody is opening a mouth and forcing the food inside. So it's a choice. So unless you don't change your choices, your habits, your health is not going to change. So जैसे मैंने बताया, ये सेट पॉइंट कभी कम नहीं होता है. But unfortunately, I mean, you cannot, don't ask me why it is so, because I don't know the answer. वो बढ़ सकता है, कम नहीं हो सकता. The set point can go up. That's how your brain works. It doesn't come down. So if you are overweight over a period of time, your set point, your brain will automatically set the set point higher. बड़ा हो जाएगा. And if you have been on an excess weight for some time, your brain will shift it to this new weight. This it will consider as the new normal. Now, आपको उससे और नीचे जाना, it will become more difficult. So what is more easy? Being overweight and allowing your brain to put a higher set point, or being conscious about what you're eating and maintaining your weight? I'm sure maintaining your weight is much easier. क्योंकि जितना आपका weight बढ़ेगा, उतने आपके health challenges बढ़ने वाले. So you can take control of your weight by taking control of your lifestyle. That's the whole thing about weight management. Taking control of your lifestyle. जैसे मैंने starting में बताया, who is the master? You or the body? What are you living in? Fear or fearless? It's a matter of choices. So statistics show that the result of dieting is the सबसे ज्यादा dieting का result क्या होता है? Outcome is gaining weight back after a period, average of 5 years. अगर आप कोई भी स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखो, किसी से भी बात करो, ऑन एन एवरेज आपको ये मालूम पड़ेगा कि 5 साल में वो बंदे का वेट वापस फिर से बढ़ गया, समटाइम्स मोर, ज्यादा बढ़ गया. आई हैव कम अक्रॉस सो मेनी पीपल. क्यों? क्योंकि वो ये नहीं समझे कि आई हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली मेंटेन दैट लाइफस्टाइल so that I maintain my health. It's a rubber band. You have to do that. So if dieting doesn't work, then the question is, what does? अभी ये हमने ये इतना सारा तो हमने ये देखा, dieting doesn't work. We made a theory about this, and I'm sure everybody will agree with me. So if dieting doesn't work, what works? And the answer is mindful eating. Being conscious about what you are eating every day. Understanding the signals that your body is giving you and interpreting that to your lifestyle, to your preferences, to your taste, and to your health. Because जो मेरे लिए may be true है, may not be true for you. Everybody has a different lifestyle, different preferences, different choices, and a different set point. हर एक का set point अलग अलग होता है. At the same time, हर एक का trigger point भी अलग अलग होता है. What triggers you to lose weight? What triggers you to be healthy? हर एक का अलग अलग होता है. For somebody it may be fitting into those good clothes. For somebody it may be just I want to get out of, I've seen my family suffer from health and medicines. I don't want to do that. For somebody, it may be their family. For somebody, it may be just uh, feeling good about themselves. It's anything, whatever is your trigger point. So you have to relate your trigger point to your health, to your set point, and then you have to be mindful about what you are eating so that you can maintain your health in the long. Learning to understand your body signals. You have to understand. Sometimes, uh, whatever meal plan you may be given, in that whole scenario, in the whole meal plan which you have been given, ये भी समझना जरूरी है कि sometimes you may not be hungry. You have to understand your body signal. Just because your coach has told you to eat, आपने जबरदस्ती से खाया, but you have to understand your own body. So at that time, you need to talk to your coach again. Maybe your metabolism has changed. Maybe your activity level has changed, and the plan which has been given to you may not be appropriate for you at that time. So you need to talk to your coach again, sit down again, and design a new meal plan which will suit your new requirements. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि meal plans change नहीं हो सकते. It must change, because again, you can't allow your body to get used to one thing, especially during the weight loss process. Agar if your body gets used to one type of process, then again stagnation may come in. So it's a continuous process जिसके अंदर आप और आपका कोच दोनों, both of you have to work side by side together. So you have to be in touch with your coach. You have to update your coach about what's happening in your life. It may be physical, mental stress हो सकता है, जो भी कुछ होता है, because those small points will help your coach to understand what's happening in your body, what's happening in your life, and better design your plan. Sometimes it's just a small tweak. छोटा सा एक tweak की जरूरत होती है, and things start to happen. But that will not happen unless you talk to your coach and tell that person that what is happening. So many times I've seen that बात करने के बाद पता चलता है कि that person was eating just because I've told that person to eat. So that's not true. So you must understand your body signals. You must understand the requirements. Learning how your body feels when you are hungry and when you start to eat. ये आपको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. You have to be in sync. You have to be in sync with your body. This way you will be not living in constant fear of food. You will be more relaxed. जो स्ट्रेस लेके काम करते हैं ना, स्ट्रेस लेके टाइम हो गया अभी ये खाना खाना, don't do that. It's always a range. You can't live your life by the clock. इतना टाइम हो गया अभी ये करना है, इतना टाइम हो गया पानी. You can't do that. You have to understand your body. You have to understand the signals your body is giving. Be a little bit more relaxed, and then your things will start to happen. Okay? Because if that's worked, sorry, if that's worked, we all would be thin already, right? Nobody would be overweight. Am I right? If that's worked, then we all would be thin. Nobody would be overweight. So it's the conclusion is that there is something more than just dieting, which goes into the daily process, which helps you to maintain your weight. So if we keep doing the same thing, we keep repeating the same thing, we are not going to get different results. So one thought which always comes to my mind is, what if we taught people to work on their appetite instead of fearing your appetite? What if we taught people to work and understand their body, understand their appetite, instead of living in a constant fear? So that is the concept of mindful eating. And since the time is limited over here, and the mindful eating kind of topic, it needs some time to be covered. So we will leave this call over here with a concept that no, dieting is not the solution to maintain. It may be a solution to lose weight temporarily, but it is not the solution to maintain your weight in the long run. to maintain your health in the long. So mindful eating, dieting का opposite mindful eating होता है. In my terminology, the opposite of dieting is mindful eating. So the concept of mindful eating is very important. उसके बारे में डिटेल में हम बात करने वाले हैं next Monday in the next weight management topic. We will talk about mindful eating, what it is, how you can understand your body, and how it will help you to maintain your weight in the long run. So that's all from my side for this topic for this Monday. Thank you so much, and back to Ma'am.
Super